Hi guys, welcome to my first YouTube video. Today I will be rebuilding my setup in a new case, but this is my first time doing it myself. I'm going to be using the new Sky 2 case that the team at Montech very kindly sent me. I love white builds and I thought this case was beautiful with the glass on the side and front. I'm really looking forward to building in this case, so let's see what parts I'm using. I've got the ASUS Prime Z690A. I've chosen this motherboard as it's budget focused for a white motherboard but doesn't compromise on quality. Next I've got the MSI 3060 Ti graphics card. For the kinds of games I play, it's more than enough. I will be using the Intel Core i5 12600K, a good match for the graphics card. For an all-in-one, I will be using the NZXT Kraken Z53 as I love the screen on it. And lastly, the RAM is Kingston Fury Beast DDR5 and I've got an M.2 WD Blue 1TB. So let's get on with the build. So that's the build. I'm no pro, but I enjoyed it. Hopefully be able to build more in the future, but what did you guys think? Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. But don't go anywhere yet, as now you can see it in my home setup. Thanks for watching, guys.